Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Wappalyzer Chrome extension to identify what technology a website is using. You can quickly find out if a site uses WordPress, Shopify, React, Google Analytics, and much more. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Wappalyzer, the first one, technology profiler, then click on add to Chrome, then click add extension. Once extension is installed, you can visit any website to check. It's almost complete. Here you will see it's done. Now we will mark it as pin. Now visit any website to check, like I am visiting ChatGPT Crazy Tech Tricks website. It's almost completed. Here you will see mark it as pin. Now click on the icon, then you will see which technology is used in the website. We'll open like in their chat GPT. Here you will see it will load the data. Here you will see for analytics, LinkedIn Insight Tag, CDN, Cloudflare, security, very good security, advertising, LinkedIn ads, miscellaneous, HTTP. Now this website, Crazy Tech Tricks. Here you will see CMS, WordPress, programming language, PHP, visits, analytics, WordPress, database, all the data you will see easily. We will open another website like opening Gmail. Click on this. Here you will see in this page only HTTP is used. Search for Amazon. Now you will see which you will see the Amazon Analytics. Here you will see it will load the data. Now you will see video players, video.js, advertising, Amazon advertising, JavaScript, CDN, Amazon CloudFront. All the details you can easily show. And that's it. That's how you can use the Wappalyzer Chrome extension to identify website technology. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.